Want to get away in style and comfort? If so, this is it. Welcome to 16520 Hound Dog Drive, located in historic Grass Valley, California. This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is a little over 1,500 square feet and is on around 5 acres of private land near Rollins Lake. Inside, you'll be delighted to discover that the kitchen is open to the dining and living area. It also includes a center island with a sink, tile counters, pendant lighting, plenty of storage space, and a dishwasher. The dining area is light and bright with windows that show off the beautiful outdoors. The living room is cozy with more windows to let in daylight and show off the view of the front yard. The master bedroom is quiet and private with windows that display the peaceful scenery outside. There is also a relaxing, spa-like master bathroom. The extra room is spacious and boasts the same gorgeous wood floors that run throughout the house. The guest bathroom has dazzling stone tile floors and a stone walk-in shower. There is a fantastic bonus room that has several large windows that let in lots of light and show off the scenery outside. Outside, you'll find a covered patio that overlooks the landscaped front yard and is wired for future outdoor fans. There are raised garden beds great for growing all sorts of flowers and vegetables. The surroundings are well treed and very quiet and private. The original design for this home is engineered for a second floor. There is also a large closet that is saving space for a future stairway. The home is just a few minutes' drive to Rollins Lake, where you can enjoy boating, fishing, camping, swimming, and other fun outdoor activities. For more information on this or any other Nevada County listing, please contact Lori Stitt on her cell phone at 530-277-7090 or on her direct line at 530-852-7588, or you can visit Lori's website at www.nevadacountyrealtysearch.com.